If you have more than one eBay store like I do, you'll know the pain of not being able to see what's sold easily and quickly in both stores on your phone because you could only install one copy of the eBay app. But look at me. Why does it look like I have 2 copies of the eBay app? Well, let me tell you. What I did was I installed the normal eBay app, that's this one, and I put in the credentials for my first store, and it's all normal. It's in dark mode, by the way, if you're wondering why everything's dark. And I just go about my business using the eBay app as you do. But I wanted to be able to check my second store without logging out of that account and logging into the other account because that was a total pain. What I did was I went to Safari, which is not actually the browser I use all the time. I use Chrome. For this, Safari is especially easy. So I went to Safari, which I hide over here, and went to eBay, just ebay.com, normal style here. And what you get is the mobile version of the site. It's not the app version and it's not the desktop version. It's the mobile version, which is different. It's optimized for use on a phone, which is great, except that when designers choose what to put in a phone version of an app, they pick and choose what they think is going to be the best user experience for the largest amount of people. And sometimes you are not one of those people. In this example, everything's cool in this version, except if I want to quickly see what I've sold, it's virtually impossible. So if I go to selling, I get this page and it doesn't tell me what's sold. It just tells me what's sold in 90 days. But I want to know what's sold, since I last did my shipping. And if I go to my eBay, I get this business, which is especially crippled versus the desktop site. So again, if I go to selling, I'm just going to get this business again. And I find this extremely frustrating. I just always click all over it looking for, what sold now. It's not there. So what you need to do is go back to that My eBay page, which is this, and then click on this little AA up in the URL bar, which is a secret sort of settings panel, and choose request desktop website. Aha! So now we have the version that you see on desktop. And of course it doesn't really fit because it's not designed to, and that's fine because I'd much rather have a fully featured site and scroll and pinch and zoom than not be able to see what I want. So now I can go to my eBay and get the full glory of the Seller Hub dashboard and all its craziness. I can blow it up and see exactly what I want to see, which is this. Then, to make things fully streamlined, I can go to the Safari settings down here, click this arrow box, whoosy what's this, and say add to home screen, which will add a bookmark just straight to this page in this desktop view as what looks like an app icon on my phone. On the version I use, really, I changed what this is so that it's short and fits, and also I know what it is. But you can type whatever you want in there, and then you hit done, and here it is. Here is that page, a shortcut straight to it whenever I want it. That is how I got 2 eBays on my home screen on my phone. I assume that there is a way to do this on Android and whatever phones people use nowadays. The key thing is finding a browser that supports the send desktop website functionality. It's basically just tricking the web into thinking it's a desktop computer, not a phone. The website goes, "Hey you, what are you?" And usually your phone says, "I'm a phone," and then it sends that nice mobile optimized version. But in this case, it says, "Hey, I'm a laptop," and then it sends you the full version. And that's, in this case, what you want, or at least what I want. Give it a shot. Let me know in the comments below if you have employed this trick on something other than iOS and how you did it. And let me know if you think this is helpful on iOS, because I certainly find it to be an extreme reseller life improvement. And we love those. Please hit the like and subscribe, and thank you and take care.